Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to fix one of the funniest little mistakes in English, confusing ship and sheep. Listen, ship has a short sound and quick, like in sit or fish. Sheep has a long sound and smiling, like in sea or tree. Let's see some funny examples. I'm traveling on a sheep. Uh-oh, poor animal. The ship is eating grass. Uh-oh, the boat doesn't eat. I want to buy a big ship. Good idea. I want to buy a big sheep. Do you have a farm? There are many passengers on that sheep. It is not okay. The animal does not carry passengers. There are many passengers on that ship. It is okay. Can you hear the difference? If not, don't worry. It takes practice. Smile a little when you say cheese for a photo. Short and relaxed when you say ship. Keep it short and relaxed when you say ship. Listen. Ship, sheep. Bit, beat. Sit, seat. Slip, sleep. Fill, feel. Live, leave. Hill, heel. It, eat. Fit, feet. Rid, red. Lick, leak. Ship examples. The ship sailed across the ocean. We are building a big ship. I saw a ship in the harbor. Sheep examples. The sheep are eating grass. I counted 10 sheep in the field. The farmer owns many sheep. Examples in sentences. Bit fus beat. I bit the apple versus I beat the drum. Sit versus seat. Please sit down versus take a seat. Fill versus feel. Fill the glass versus feel the water. Hill versus heel. We climbed the hill versus my heel hurts. Now, how can you master it? Easy tips. Practice in front of a mirror. Smile when you say sheep. Relax for ship. Small, fast sound. Practice every day with funny sentences. And remember, a small sound can make a big difference. Thank you for learning with me today. See you soon. Bye-bye.